Merch by Amazon trending niche alert. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you a niche that I found that is starting to trend on Merch by Amazon. Hello everyone, my name is Mike. I'm a full-time print-on-demand seller. I make YouTube videos showing you how to make more money on Merch by Amazon and other print-on-demand platforms. If you like this kind of content and you get any value out of this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Okay, so let's get into the content of the video. This is actually going to be a short video because I was actually right about to go to bed, but I thought let me just check real quick to see if I can find any trending niches. And I actually found one, and the BSR'S were so good that I had to make a quick little video and just get this video out. Usually I don't do 2 videos in one day, but these trending ones, I feel like I gotta get them out quick so that you guys could jump on them. So the niche is, drum roll please, this one right here that says United Auto Workers Strike. Now the reason this is trending is because there's people in Detroit that work at these, I believe, car factories, and they are going on strike. So let me just click out of that. So we're going to see right here, workers strike at all 3 Detroit automakers, a new tactic to squeeze companies for better pay. So that is why this niche is trending. And when we go back to Amazon, we're going to see there's 410 results, or only 410 results. If we go to the 3rd page, there's still going to be only 410 results. So right here we're going to see, but check out the BSR'S on all of these listings. So right here we're going to see 490, 229, 222, 210, and they just keep getting better and better. Look at this, 66, 903, 250, 309, and again 54, 193, 151, 99. Like, this niche is jamming right now. One of the things I've noticed is that a lot of the best sellers are with red t-shirts. All right, so red color. A lot of them have like a fist like this. They're using the word strong. So this, and look at the BSR, just keep going. So finally there's one without a BSR, but they're very low. 167, 152, 101. So there's a whole bunch of these shirts that are selling very well right now, as you can see with the BSR'S. If we go to test to see if this is trademarked, let me just go back. So I just typed in United Auto Workers. I type enter, and nothing pops up, just this one right here, but it doesn't match and it's abandoned. If we go to Etsy to see the competition, only 1,000 results, but I'm seeing really only just these ones at the top here. Redbubble, competition is very low, only 3 results. And if we go to TeePublic, I don't think I saw, actually no, there were a few. Again, we're seeing that same style with the red. We're seeing the fist. So those are some similarities. When you see similarities like this, you can take those similarities and then implement them into your designs. So this looks like a good niche. Now the main question is going to be, is this niche safe? Because every time I do one of these trending niches, there's always people that are commenting saying, this niche isn't safe, etc., etc. First thing is, if you don't feel comfortable with the niche, just skip it. You don't have to upload onto every trending niche. Just wait to the next one. There will always be another trending niche that pops up tomorrow, in 2 days, 3 days, or even next week. So if you don't feel comfortable, just don't upload to it. Or if you want to play more like the safe route, just upload it onto Etsy or to Redbubble or onto TeePublic. One of the other platforms. Me personally, in my opinion, is that this niche is safe. The reason why is because, first, I'm just seeing a whole bunch of designs going through, so they're not getting rejected. I'm not seeing anything trademarked, at least when I checked real quick on tests. It doesn't have to do anything that will get, like, at least in my opinion, Amazon sued. So it doesn't have to do with like a professional sports team. It doesn't have to do with like a movie. It doesn't have to do with like a Taylor Swift song. So just looking at it, just from a little bit right here, it looks like it's safe. Now this is just my opinion. I don't obviously work for Amazon or anything like that. I'm just some random guy on the internet. But me personally, I think this niche is fine. If you are kind of nervous about it, then just skip it and just wait to the next one. But I just saw these BSR'S and I was like, holy smokes, this niche is freaking jamming. Got to get the word out, let you guys know. So if you do feel comfortable with this niche, then you can go ahead and make some sales. And 54 BSR'S, that's like, I don't know how many, that's maybe like 5 to 10 sales a day. So, that's pretty good. Now, who knows how long this strike will go on for. Maybe it'll get resolved tomorrow. Maybe it'll go on for a couple weeks. But this is a niche that I found that is starting to trend, and I wanted to share it with you guys. So, like I said, not going to be the longest video ever, but just saw this and I wanted to get the word out. So, that's basically it for this video. Thanks so much for watching. If you want more niches, you know the deal. Subscribe to the channel. Check out the other videos that I got. I just posted this one up today. People seem to be liking it. It's got 250 views. So check that one out. And that's it. I'm gonna go to bed. I'll see you guys maybe tomorrow. All right. Bye bye. Adios.